Hi everyone. So in this video, I will see about exceptions, how we can log exceptions or errors whenever there is a error happens. For example, if there is no error, we can have like 200 okay response. But if I pass the ID where the user does not exist, or if the user exists but the message there is no messages. So in those situations, we have to throw a exception. So let's see. For that to happen, we have this exception middleware. So in the program.cs, we have added this line which is running before and after our actual controller is getting called. So this exception handling middleware will run up after, let's say, this call is done, or during this call, if there is some error, then it will catch it. So uh, in this exception handling middleware, we have this next, and we have this try catch. So next is the function that we are trying to run. In this case, it is get message by user ID. So when we are running get message by user ID, if there is some error, then it will throw that error here. So it will handle that exception. So how it is going to handle, it is going to check what type of exception it is, and based on that, it will throw any of these exceptions. So for that, we have this model exception error response. So error response will contain status code. So if we see here, we have the status code, we have message, we have details, we have stack trace, and then lastly timestamp when the error really happened. So there now in the exception handling middleware, we are creating that response. We are serializing that response and sending it to the user. So here in the message services, we have this bad request. Like if the user does not provide any user ID, then what will happen? If I don't provide any user ID here, it is null. So it will throw a not found error. So nothing was found. So that is the bad request. So that's why we are getting here not found error. And then these are our custom classes. This is so there is two errors. So one is like bad request exception, and here we have the user not found exception. So if the user not found, there is three cases. One is that user ID does not exist. Another is there is no user exists, but there is no message. And then we can also have some inner exceptions as well. So now whenever this happens, it will just throw this error, and it will be catch here. It will be catch in this try catch block, and it will handle that exception, and then write the response. Response means whatever we see in this file. So that's all about exception and how we can use a middleware to handle different type of exception. Thank you for watching.